Good day, good day, good day, YouTube. Thank y'all for coming back to another video. God is still on the throne. God is still good. God still loves us. He's still merciful. He's still providing for us. He's still taking care of us. He's still our strong tower. Come on, man. So let's just continue to be grateful for who God is, what He's doing, what He has done, and what He will do, because He gives good and perfect gifts. Anyway, I want to get into this trade view today in regards to this trade that I took on boom, 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 AUD USD. This is my first trade for the week, but overall, that's how it played out. I came to the market today, New York session, with the expectation that the market was going to sell, and the market ultimately did sell. Now, I took my first entry, and it ended up getting stopped out. What happened right here is FOMC. FOMC came out maybe an hour and a half later, and it just not, stop these, grab these stop losses. Those people orders who were sitting right here, and then continued on down pretty aggressive. So with that being said, I did take a loss and I almost didn't come back, but I was like, man, next trade up analysis is still there. I even realized that, you know, structure hadn't changed anything like that. So being that said, I just, waited for my entry confirmation again, got back in there, and was able to make this loss back. It would have been good though. Amazing that, you know what I'm saying? If I would have got the 1 to 3, but the thing you know 1 to 3, end up getting the one to 1.27, which ultimately just, covered the loss that I took and then got a few dollars extra. But hey, I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful to, have one, have my follow my plan, two, to see that my plan played out, and then three, to actually make a little profit for the day. So those are a few things that I'm grateful for. And, God ain't done, He's still working on me. He's still, continue to just, build me into the trader that he calls me to be. You know what I'm saying? Not a fearful trader, not a trader who revenge trades, but a trader who's disciplined, who follows their plan, who's consistent, right? And that's all that we're going for. We're not going for, just the money, but we're going for what happens. We're going for what happens when we, display those things of a disciplined, consistent, profitable trader. So that's my trade review for today, y'all. Starting it off, starting my first trade for the week off on a good note. So, pray for that. Y'all stay blessed by the best God always.